Dear students, today we will study Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 1 Part 3 Large Number in Practice. We know the numbers help us in measurement of all objects. To measure any object, we have to specify the unit of measurement for that object. The unit can be small or big according to the size of object. As we can see, if we measure the distance from your school to home or home to school is measured in kilometers. We can say in this picture you can see that distance shown from home to school is 5 kilometer. And if we have to measure small objects like your pencil or like your mobile or like your eraser, we will be measuring it in centimeter. So now we know that for depending upon the size, the units of measurement will change. Now we will see a table of international systems of units. You can see in green color it has shown 1 unit. It is called 1. If we increase the unit size by 10 times, then it is called deca. You can see in the prefix column. And if we increase it by 100 times, then it will be called hecto. Similarly, if we increase 1000 times, it will be called kilo. We will prefix it before the unit. See, it is a meter is the unit. Then if we increase it 10 times, it will be decameter. If we increase 100 times, it will be hectometer. If we increase the 1000 times, it will be kilometer. So similarly, you can see million, billions and trillions. So you can prefix mega, giga and tera for these units. And now we will see on the other side, downward side, if we divide the unit by 10, then it will be called deci. If we divide the unit by hundredth, then it will be called centi. If we divide the unit by thousand, it will be called milli. Similarly, you can see micro, nano and pico. So this is the system being used in international system, and these are, you can see these are symbols are also shown in the picture. For tenth it is D, for centimeter it is C, for milli it is small m, for millions it is micro, for billions it is equal to N, for trillions it is equal to P, for pico. Now we will see the Indian system of units. In Indian system of units, we don't have fractions. So we will start it from the unit from the figure 1 only. When we call it 100, when we multiply it by 10, it will be tens, by hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, arab. So like this it goes on. So now you can easily see the difference between the Indian systems and international system of units. Although international system of units are followed in India also. Now we can see the imperial system of units which are being used in mainly Europe. So you can see inch is the distance unit to measure the distance. Foot, 12 inches makes 1 foot. Then 3 feet make 1 yard. 1760 yards make 1 statute mile, meter and kilometer. So these are the imperial systems of units for distance. Similarly, there are systems for units for time also. The smallest unit for time is 1 second. Then 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 minutes make 1 hour. 24 hours make 1 day. 7 days make 1 week. 1 month make 28 to 31 days, and 12 months make 1 year. So you can see the time can also be measured in units. Those are second, minutes, hour, days, months and years. Now you can see another table for weight. We have a unit of gram, milligrams, kilogram, tons, and in imperial system it is ounce, drums, pound, hundredweight, ton. In metric system it is gram, kilogram, 1 ton. And standard metric conversions, if you see, these are 1 ounce. We have given the different types of their conversion also, like 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So milli you have studied previous, that if we divide it by 1000 it will be milli. So we have just prefixed milli before the gram, so it becomes 1000 milligrams. Similarly, 1 kilogram, if we do kilo, it is equal to 1000 grams. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilograms, or it is also called 1 ton. So you can see the different conversions of weight. We hope that you have understood how to use these large numbers. So basically, on the size of the unit or on the size of the object, we have to take appropriate unit for measurement. Thank you.